This is Micah's feet. Micah is 4 days old today.
Weeks,
and he's ticklish. And he can spread his toes like his mammal. And he can sit up and hold his head up real good.
Hi, Micah.
And he yawns like his mommy. Say something, you're on camera. Say something. Say something. Okay. And Micah can stand up. Can stand up. Can stand up. Now, come on. Show him. Hey, you're flopping. Stand it up. Stand it up. Atta boy. Come on, you can do better than that. Come on. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Atta boy. Atta boy. Stand way up there and be a bigger boy.
He's wilting.
Good. Micah can sit it down. And Micah can stand it up. And stand it up. And cross his eyes. Look at the camera with cross eyes. There, now he's standing up. Mama just balance him. And him can stand it up. And him just 4 weeks old. And Mama talking like a doof. Oh, I'm such a big boy. Oh, I'm such a big... Oh, cross eyes. I'm such a big boy. I can do so many things. Yes, I can. Hi, Micah. Hi, Micah. Now, when I lay down, because I'm spoiled rotten, I get the mad and pitch a fit. And I turn real red and all that stuff. Got the date on?
Yeah.
Aren't you going to do anything? Hmm?
It's in there.
And this is Micah's mess. Micah's mommy's mess. He smiled real big. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera, Micah. This is a mammal pud. Sometimes that head gets real heavy.
He's looking right at it.
Oh, that was Mama's thumbnail in Micah's chin.
He's got a dimple on his forehead.
What is that? What is that saying?
Micah.
Stand up. Whoop.
That's the first thing Micah did when he was born.
You're gonna be a boxer?
Hi, Micah.
You'll be a boxer?
Hi, Micah.
Can you smile? Can you smile? Can you smile for the memo? Hmm? Can you smile for memo? Can you smile? Can you smile? Can you smile for the memo? Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
Micah, Micah. And what was that?
You're sliding. You're sliding off. Here's your mommy on TV. Did that scare you? Hurry. There. Got him? choking me to death, Memo. You're choking me to death. Come on, you can do it. Atta boy. Atta boy, you could do it.
Dancing. Say that again, I'm recording now.
My legs need chair.
So give yourself a hug. Discover soon. She had it all. Courageous family. When tragedy struck, he suffered a massive stroke. Now she
Got all over your mouth.
What are you eating, Micah?
Oops, it just dribbled. Call me, call me.